This is the first time with the creation of the Medicaid Inspector General unit that we've actually been able to drill down the specifics associated with even just one individual and what drugs they use, what race they are, what age they are, what type of services they're receiving.
Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz is talking about the finding of a comprehensive 5-year study of Medicaid services in Erie County. The study looked at all Medicaid transactions between January 2008 and April of this year and came up with a surprising snapshot of who, how, and where those services were used.
So what I want people to understand is that poverty, there's no just place where people live in poverty. Every community in Erie County has at least one person on Medicaid. Every town, whether it's urban, suburban, or rural.
According to the report, in 2012, Medicaid costs in Erie County topped more than $1.4 billion, with the county paying more than $211 million of the cost. In 2013, costs for the county are already at more than $219 million.
And you will see that while the growth has started to slow down a little bit since 2008, the program is still growing.
Poloncarz says what's even more startling is the number of young people on Medicaid and the huge discrepancy in the amount of money spent on white Medicaid recipients compared to others.
We don't know the answer. We don't know if it's related to long-term care. We don't know if it's related to mental health. We don't know if it's related to more tests being prescribed for white Medicaid recipients as compared to others. But this is disappointing to see this because Medicaid is supposed to be a fair system. And what we're seeing is it's unfair in the amount of money that's being spent per person on an average basis.
Poloncarz says he's ordered the Office of the Inspector General to look into the reason for the discrepancies. Meantime, the results of the report have been forwarded to the State Office of the Medical Inspector General. In Erie County, Kevin Jolly, YNN.